Prime Home
Okay,
Sales
now we
Pavilion.
Hello everyone, we are here now at Prime
Sales
Capital
Pavilion.
Hills.
Hi. Nice to meet you. Welcome here.
Okay.
Okay.
This
So
is the
sir,
project of Prime Homes.
overview. This is consists of 3.6 hectares. This is the phase 1, which is Camia, Magnolia, Sampaguita. These are the ready for occupancy. So we only have 2 to 3 units left. And in phase 2, we have the Rihanna, Dahlia, Albicia. Rihanna is pre-selling and also Altea. But Diana is
Turnover next year.
it's now ongoing construction and it will be turned
Construction,
over.
under
Yeah.
construction.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Okay.
percent. It will be turned over 2026, while Altea is 2028.
Yeah.
So in Albicia, we only have 20 floors, while this Liana and Dahlia is only 12 floors. Every floors, there is a typical 12 units, so consists of 144 units in one
Oh.
tower. So,
Kami nga.
in, ano? Sino yan? Si ma'am? Ma'am? So, this is where are we now?
We are there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ah,
And then,
Ablizia.
we Kamya, this is the RFO.
Come here.
This is the already
Already.
RFO, ready
So,
to move in.
Ready.
Yeah, ready to
Yeah,
move in,
ready.
but the only available is in Magnolia.
Magnolia.
Only one
Only
unit
one
left,
unit only,
which is located
left.
at, yeah.
Yes.
Maybe you can grab it, sir.
Maybe this is yours, Sacha.
Okay.
Eh,
Only 50%.
Everything will be mine. Don't worry.
Oh, but if you're willing to reserve now, why not? It's
Yeah.
only 50,000 pesos, sir, for the reservation.
Reservation.
Yeah,
Yes,
reservation. And
reservation.
this payment
If you
is
want to
20
get the unit.
If you want the unit, when we have, we required 5
Rental?
persons.
Rental? For rent?
Yeah.
No,
Rent?
for-
Not
for
for
rent.
rent. Rent to own.
Rent to own.
Yeah, you can rent and you can pay every month, but it's already yours.
Okay.
You can rent here.
So these are the
And
amenities.
the amenities, we have swimming
Swimming
pool.
pool.
Yeah, we have the pools.
yeah.
We have the
I
gym.
No
can
problem.
bring this one.
No problem.
Yeah. This is yours?
Excellent.
Oh,
is
okay.
mine.
I can bring it.
Of course.
Yeah, that's a segue. But we got
Future commercial area.
Yeah.
yeah, this is a commercial area.
Ah.
Okay, yeah.
Future site.
This can ongoing
So we
construction.
can do the actual unit, so we can tour
Later.
over there.
Yeah, later.
Later?
Nice. Okay. There is a this agreement. Okay.
Albicia, Liana. Sorry naman. Altea. So,
There are 2 gates.
yes. 2 gates. And in Anahang Pavilion, we have the good thing in this, we have the lobby.
Lobby.
Yeah, this is a lobby.
This is the co-working
Oh.
space. This is the perspective project. Then the function room. We have the gym.
Gym. Oh.
Yeah.
It's the most important.
Yes,
One of the most
important
important
for
things. Yes.
And then where's the
A walkway. Oh.
Yeah. You like it?
swimming pool? So this is the gate 1 at the back.
I came from here, I
Yeah,
think.
there.
Yes,
And this is the gate 2.
Main gate. Yes.
Okay.
The second gate.
Second gate.
The other way.
Yes.
Yeah, Magnolia.
Manolia is ready.
Rihanna.
Yeah, it's already
I am
ready to
memorizing.
move in.
So,
I learned the names
We
of tower.
have 6
Yeah.
towers already.
Units.
now.
Towers. Camia,
Oh,
Manolia,
6 tower or
Magnolia.
7?
Sampaguita,
yeah,
Sampaguita.
Sampaguita.
Ablizia, Dahlia, and Liana.
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
We have 6 towers. Okay.
Yes.
So this is the studio loft. If you want the
Oh.
loft type, this is 150K reservation if you want the loft type. And this is the studio typical.
Typical.
Typical studio, yeah.
It seems good.
It's approximately 33 square meter.
Good.
30 to 33 square meter.
Yeah, a little small. What?
Yeah,
Small?
small.
33?
33 square
Yeah,
meter.
33.
Square
It is
meter.
studio type only. But
Yes.
It's only
for one
It is.
for 1 bedroom, we have a 40 to 50 square meter. It's doing. Maybe later you can see it.
We have
We'll show
more
you.
bigger cuttles.
Yeah. The good thing is that if we turn over the units, it's already have the appliances.
Yeah.
Because we are the partnership of
free-
Samsung.
free
So we have
refrigerator.
Free refrigerator.
Split
Yes.
type aircon, the range hood.
And this one.
Oven.
yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
new appliances. So,
Typical garden.
one bedroom. All units have a balcony, sir. So, bakit tayo mana? This is the bedroom. Bedroom.
Bedroom
And the
is
bathroom.
very important.
That's a bathroom.
Yeah. Bathroom is wide.
This is the two-bedroom.
This is
Two
the
bedroom.
bedroom. Have the living, master bedroom, bathroom.
What can I do with 2 bedrooms?
So you only.
No, you can. Your family if you have kids. But you don't have a kids, right?
No.
Or you have?
No,
Maybe one
maybe
for-
in the
Ah,
future.
maybe in the future.
Maybe
yes, of
next
for
course.
month,
you.
maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe today. Maybe today.
What today?
Maybe today I will work.
So, tatawag tayo ng magtutur na tayo. Okay, we're
Animals?
gonna show you the
Okay.
actual units, the model units.
Another part.
Yeah, there.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. This is Althea and the allegation.
Tinawag mo na?
Turn over next year.
Next year it will be completed.
Yes.
Okay.
It's already
This is the
completed.
Ariana.
Completed.
Uh-huh.
And it will be
No, Aliana.
next year, 2026.
We are in Quezon City now.
Yes.
Yes.
In Matandang Balara, Quezon City.
First time niya daw kasi
Oh!
sa Quezon City. Makati siya.
This is your first time in Quezon
For
City?
Quezon City, yes.
Yeah.
For Philippines, second time. For
You're staying here for a vacation.
Makati.
Vacation only.
Vacation.
For
Vacation.
how long?
For 1 month, but
1 month?
but 1 day. Pardon, 1 week passed
So you have 3
because
weeks.
of the rain. I was in.
You have 3 weeks.
I was in
You're
prison.
just by yourself?
I was captured by myself. Yes, on my own.
How's the
I
Philippines?
stay in
What's your nationality?
Turkish.
Turkish.
Yes, I'm Turkish.
What do you do in Turkish?
I work as a teacher
Teacher.
at a high school.
Well, you have any
I have
plans
been
of
teaching for 18
investing here in
years.
the Philippines?
Actually, I had so many plans to visit historical places, to do sightseeing, but
What about
The rain and typhoon.
investing in a property here in the Philippines?
actually, in the future, maybe.
Having a
Maybe.
Filipina girlfriend.
It's up to that, yes. It's up to Filipina girlfriend.
You have someone in mind already?
There is not a special one yet, not a particular woman, but we are working on it.
These are ready for occupancy really, aside from these 3 towers there. This is the latest, the tower 4 and 5. And the Oasis, I don't know if they presented to you the Oasis, the focal amenity area. It will be located here.
Meron ata din naman ako.
We have model unit here. We can show you model unit of 1 bedroom and a studio. So this is the drop-off point going to the entrance of tower 4 and 5. So this is just a temporary entrance. This will be a fire exit. So the entrance will be there.
Yes. Now we are going through the rooms, I think.
The unit, yeah.
Units, yes.
Model unit. So this is a model unit of Liana.
But
So if you'll notice-
amazing. They all,
If you'll notice,
work.
this is the tower 4 and 5 ordinary locks. This one, smart lock already.
Smart locks. Oh,
That's
This is
the
a 1 bedroom.
bedroom.
1 bedroom.
1 bedroom. Pardon. Yes, now
In 1 bedroom,
örnek ünitemizi görüyoruz.
the aircon is included. Complete type aircon, the refrigerator.
Buzdolabımız var.
As a
Klimamız
garden
var.
unit, you have a
There is also
bigger
a balcony. Oh, it's important to smoke. It's important.
Yeah, smoke.
Burası balkon. Valla çok güzel. Very beautiful.
So that
Very
will be
nice.
the entrance. of the towers.
Entrance.
And this one, the one.
Amazing.
So this will be landscape.
Landscape. Okay.
That's the room.
This is the most important room. This is the most.
I think that this is included, sir, right?
The wardrobe closet is
Oh, yatak
included.
odası harika.
That's included.
But the bed is not included. And the aircon, that's included.
There is a clock.
The aircon, two aircon.
Yes. Cactuses. Yes. Very good.
And that's the toilet and bath.
This is dining table.
Yes. But that's not included, sir.
That's not included. Okay. This is
Rain shoe, this one. It's within the package. Rain shoe, the 4-burner cooktop. This is a smoky. The lights are smart lights, so you can control it on your phone. The lights and the aircon.
this
This
is
is
the
the toilet and bath.
bathroom. Okay.
We have a huge toilet and bath because the washing machine is in
Washing
provided here. So there's a water outlet, and
Çamaşır
power
makinesi
outlet.
buraya konacak.
The glass shower enclosure that's included also.
Duşlar
The
da
floor tiles.
dahil. Şu an örnek üniteleri geziyoruz arkadaşlar. Quezon City'deyiz. Manila, Quezon City. Yeah.
So, next we proceed the studio.
The studio. We're gonna show you the
Bir diğer kata geldik. Stüdyo dairelere
the
bakacağız.
studio unit. Actually, studio.
May yung picture para tayo.
My name starts with K.
Okay,
So we
Yeah,
can...
the number.
One bed.
J. Now, room.
Di ba,
This is a studio.
Oh,
Studio type, yes.
it's also a cube.
It's also
Yeah,
Cute,
it's
yes.
cute. You said you're single, so you can see.
Yes, I am single, but
You, so you just only...
Single.
for now I am single. Yes. For now. Yes.
Maybe later you're.
Maybe later.
Later, you're no
maybe
longer
the
single.
day after tomorrow. Maybe
Yeah.
today. Maybe tomorrow. I don't know.
Oh, this wardrobe is already.
Wardrobe. Oh, it's very large.
Yeah.
I think this is included or
Very spacious.
Kailangan to.
Evet,
Ay, included
gardırobu.
to. This is included.
Included.
The refrigerators, split type
Refrigerator.
aircon.
Okay. Refrigerator.
only one air?
Air conditioner.
Yeah, only one.
Again,
But in Liana, we
included.
have
Yeah.
balcony, sir.
Bal-
But this one, we don't have the balcony.
Oh,
But in
it's
Liana, we have balcony.
it's a
All
problem.
units there have balcony. So
okay.
you can smoke.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need have
Yeah.
a
If I own this place, I can smoke because this is mine.
Yeah.
But if I rent, I cannot smoke. I will not be able to
That
smoke.
depends on the
It depends on the rules, policies of the
owner.
owner, manager. Yes, evet. Banyomuz, tuvaletimiz, the bedroom and the toilets. Yes.
That's the banyo.
Banyo, yes. In Turkish, banyo, yes. Toilet, yes.
Yeah, we also call it banyo.
Yeah. In Spanish, banyo. Yeah. In
Oh,
Spanish.
it's in Tagalog, banyo.
Tagalog and Spanish are similar, so
Because we were
I can speak a little Spanish, so I know some words.
there,
How about
there are times that we were invaded by Spanish.
So we
Yeah.
can see the two-bedroom.
That is the history. Yes.
Yung yan sa kabila, yung deliverable.
This is why the surname of her is Fontelar.
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 Yeah, sure name.
Who is Fontelar?
No, Maria.
Ah, the ladies.
This is Maria.
Maria.
The deliverable. So this is the sample of
what is that?
turnover unit. If
The
it's
two
This is
bedroom.
punishment room. I think you will kill me now.
This is
Okay.
balcony for
I surrender. Okay.
we had these two bedrooms.
The bathroom
Bedroom.
and the one.
First room.
Bedroom.
Yeah, bedroom and the one.
Living room, kitchen, American kitchen.
American.
It's a
American.
two-bedroom unit.
Yes. And that
This is the
is.
balcony.
The master's bedroom.
This is the yard for prisoners.
talaga. So you are facing...
Mükemmel bir manzara var. Yeah.
Where are you going to upload that video?
YouTube. Later, when I come back to Turkey.
See my face on YouTube.
No, they will see your handsome face. I have YouTube channel. I am a musician.
Oh yeah, your YouTube
I share
channel.
music, but when I travel around the world, when I go to foreign countries, I also shot videos about those countries.
Then you're going to edit that video.
Yes. I can give you my YouTube channel.
You,
So
Why
we
not?
can
Yeah.
she
subscribe
also have a TikTok channel. She's a TikToker.
She's a... Oh my God.
She's a TikToker.
Dancer.
Yes, I guess. Most probably she is a dancer, yes.
Share your TikTok channel.
Because she is very active.
I'm gonna share you
She
my
is
link
moving.
so you can follow me then.
She is moving so fast.
She have 1 million followers.
Wow.
Closer is getting.
She's famous.
Only in Philippines or all over the world. She's very famous.
Yes, she's famous here in the Philippines.
If I were you, I'm gonna get a 2x2. Wala na bang show?
Mükemmel bir ortam var ya. Aksıdırıyorum.
Aside on that.